Coinbase wallet increases support for BSC and AVAX tokens. So we'll be covering this, which I believe is very bullish news for the crypto space, the whole crypto market, in this BSC article. We'll also go to the BSC News official Twitter page. Make sure you guys get tapped in. We'll be looking at the overall sentiment of the market, as well as checking out the prices of not only Avalanche, but BNB. All right. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. We got, with the new integrations of BSC and AVAX network, the number of supported tokens will reach thousands. One wallet, thousands of tokens. Coinbase, one of the most prominent crypto exchanges globally, has added BNB chain and Avalanche to the list of supported networks for the Coinbase wallet, where users can store and swap cryptocurrencies. If you guys are part of the Avalanche network, you guys know that I just started dropping some fire videos on the Avalanche protocols. I want you guys to go ahead and load up the comments or let me know what projects you guys are pumped up about. But this is huge for BNB as well. We have, by adding BNB chain and Avalanche, the total of number of networks supported is now 4, including Ethereum and Polygon. So that's Matic. So that's very bullish news if you ask me. We're going to come over here to BSC News, give them a shout out. They have featured one of my videos in the past. So let's come over here and give them a proper shout out. This is their official Twitter page. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet everything. You guys also want to make sure that you guys are following. And like me, make sure the bell notifications lit up. Sometimes for some reason, Twitter takes it off. So you guys might want to come back and make sure you guys got it lit up. So like that, you guys do not miss out. Now we're going to be looking at the overall market, where at the time of this video, Avalanche is sitting at, because I think this is going to be pushing the Avalanche a little bit higher up the rank. So as of the making of this video, we see Avalanche at ranking at the 15 mark. I could see this dropping down a lot lower. To be having Coinbase up your sleeve is pretty lucrative. So we're going to look at the Avalanche price. And I want you guys to go tap in on the other Avalanche videos I've done, where I go a little bit deeper into the prices of Avalanche. But we're just going to look at these quick support and resistance that we see, almost tapping out at almost at $150, which is pretty nice. As long as I can see Avalanche hold above this price at $24, this is pretty bullish news. And we've seen from back here, before any kind of partnership with Coinbase, this is areas that we've tapped and then rocked right up to $150. So that's pretty interesting. We also see I went ahead and voted yes. We see the market saying 86% people are voting yes. This is good. Now we're going to be looking at the infamous BNB. BNB is not going nowhere. This is the proof of the infrastructure is not going to go nowhere. Not only did the miners mining gold make a lot of money, but the people selling the pick shovels, the tractors and whatnot. And BNB has real utility. When you use Binance, if you have BNB in your wallet, you save 10% on all your trades. So that's pretty epic. That's real utility right there. And to be part of the biggest exchange, that we use, so BNB is not going nowhere. We see the same scenario happening right here, where we hold the support above this area that we're in right now, which is looking pretty strong, even though, overall the markets have been consolidating. Some people call it a full-blown bear market. We still have some supports that if we hold, we can still be okay, where the markets can ramp up. But we see BNB holding tight, clinging to this above, what is that? About 269. So if we can stay above that mark, we have a range to play all the way back up to 456. Of course, that's going to be contingent if the markets pick up and whatnot like that. So go ahead, make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure the bell notifications lit up like that. You guys do not miss out on any daily content. It is getting really hot over here. You guys do not want to miss out. So continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.